Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
During the funeral of one of the taxi bosses, Umswazi, the former police minister Bheki Cele said it himself that you guys, you taxi bosses, are recruiting some of my best police officers.
Yes.
And I'm left with nothing because you guys are paying them better than the state.
Yes.
Which is what you're saying.
Yes. I when I was in the youth league, there's a guy in the special forces of the army who used to work for me. So what that guy was talking about, I know it very well. And the funeral Big is talking about, I was there.
I know.
I attended. I knew that guy as a taxi boss. Actually, beyond that, he formed Santaco.
Yes.
Him and the Kabas in KZN, they formed Santaco. Santaco, it was not easy thing. He had to bring all. So there was these small associations everywhere. Then they had to bring all of them under one umbrella called Santaco. I think they've not been that successful in the Western Cape. Yeah. But Santaco is not necessarily the taxi people's thing. It's a government entity. Santaco is a government entity. They even have their offices at the Department of Transport. So you want to discuss issues of transport, you want to discuss buses. By the way, the buses in KZN, they are controlled by the Kaba brothers. So as people, clients that deals with buses every day, you're bound to know those guys because you have to go and negotiate good prices and all of that. And the old man just took a liking on me because he was used to a situation where he speaks and everybody is just agreeing and they don't question him. So I used to challenge him and he liked that thing, that there was this young man who was always trying to challenge me and that was my relationship with them.
Yeah.
Siyayisiya emavikeni adlule uma ekhuluma nomzikazi wa-Afrika kanye no Sinawo Thambo wakhuluma nobudlelwana yenabo phakathi kukaMswazi lo kuyena wayephethe abamateksi ngapha koMpumalanga kanye nabakwaCaba ngoba njengoba umuzwe ekhuluma nje ukuthi waya ngisho emncwabeni walomndeni wakababa lo uMswazi eyongcwaba khona kwakukhona ngisho abakwaCaba komndeni owaziwayo kakhulukazi ngapha eThekwini emkhakheni wamatekisi. Emveni kwe-media briefing yangomhla ka-6 kuJulayi 2025 amaphoyisa athi mayegasela emzini kaKatiso Molefe eyombopha afika athola uKenny Kunene khona. Kwaba indaba ezikhulunywayo isikhathi eside ngoba inhlangano yakhe okuyi-PA yazi yathi nongcono izom-investigator bazommisa kuyo yonke imisebenzi ayenzayo bese bam-investigate. Ngempela ke babuya after 30 days bathi ayikho into wrong abayitholile. Uma ke uKenny Kunene belapha ya kwi-podcast and chill uthema ekhuluma khona wayesethi uCIC uJulius Malema ukhuluma namhlanje ubiza uKatiso Molefe ngesigebengu kodwa akakuvezanga ukuthi unobudlelwano yena noma ube nobudlelwano yena kanye noKatiso Molefe. Interesting kakhulu ke lonto ayishoyo. Interesting kakhulu ngicela uzwe la.
Julius is calling this man Molefe names. But what is interesting is that the man who is late now, who was the businessman of Molefe, Julius would drive at 12 midnight, at 2 o'clock when that man calls and drive to his farm.
No ways.
Drive to his farm.
Oh, who's the man?
Mswazi.
Oh, yes. The late.
Julius will drive to his farm.
Dino Gang, the farm in Dino Gang.
Yes.
Whoa.
After Venterveld.
You.
Julius will leave the back room here of Mazoti and drive to that man's house. Julius paid protection, I don't know from who.
Who's Mazotti?
Now, this man and that man were friends. They knew each other. So now that one is dead and this one has a problem, you are now saying this one is this one is dead, this one is dead. That's hypocritical. He was right in their circle. He was right in their circle.
Oh, wow.
I was at the funeral of Mswazi because I am an MMC of transport. The taxi industry is my stakeholder.
Yeah, it was a big taxi boss. Yeah.
And I went there. Julia spoke there as a friend of Mswazi.
No way.
He spoke as a friend. How do you then say the friend of Mswazi is now a criminal? Is this? Are you saying Mswazi was a criminal? You were in that circle. If this man was at Mswazi's house, you were there. He probably knows Molefe more than me. But in public, he's portraying a picture of a holy cow. He lives in the backyard of Mazoti, a white person. He says he's not afraid to go to prison, but he goes to get a white woman social worker to come and plead for him. So when it suits him, white people are useful. When he addresses his crowds, white people are evil. So that is Julius, and I'm making that example to show that he speaks for what suits the narrative at that particular time.
Hamba siqhubekele phambili kunento efuneka siyilungise kuqala. Kwi-interview uJulius Malema benawo noSakina Kamwendo we-SABC ukubeke kokucacile ukuthi akanayo inkinga nabamhlophe. Wathi une problem ne-system eyayikhandiwe ukuze benefit abamhlophe kodwa yena akanayo inkinga nabamhlophe. Ngikhuluma nje izingane zakhe uJulius zifunda kuma multiracial school zinabangani babelungu izingane zakhe. So akanankinga uJulius nabelungu. Kufuneka sisilungise le statement isikaKheni. Okwesibili ngifuna ukukuveza uKheni Kunene uthi umuzwe ekhuluma kanje ukhuluma njengoba yena watholakala emzini kaKatiso Mlefe ngalolu yasuku abantu sebem-associate nobugebengu asolwa ngabo uKatiso Mlefe. Yingakho ethi kukuza kanjani ukuthi umuntu maye umngane wesigebengu kuthiwa nawe uyisigebengu ngoba even noJulius ubesondelene kakhulu nomswazi. Umswazi osondelene noKatiso Mlefe. Ababuka iMadlanga Commission bayazi ukuthi mabe balinka labantu laba bayavela bobabili umswazi noKatiso Mlefe. Ngakho ke uJulius was in their cycle. If yena njengoKheni Kunene ukutholakala kwakhe emzini kaKatiso Mlefe kuzombeka njengomuntu wesigebengu, kufanele kube njalo na kuJulius ngoba uJulius he was in their cycle. Njengoba bejwayelene nomswazi uthi uKheni uJulius yena wazi ulo uKatiso Mlefe kakhulu kwedlula yena ngoba yena ubesondelene nabo kakhulu. Ukhulume ngoMazoti. uMazoti lo mlungu lo waxhasa iEFF wayinikeza imali nesikhathi register nento ezinjalo. Ethi umlungu nje owaxhasa iEFF. Ngakho ke uKheni Kunene uthi uma yena ngokutholakala emzini kaKatiso Mlefe ezothathwa njengomuntu oyisigebengu akatrithwe kanjalo phela noJulius Malema ngoba uJulius Malema wazi wakhuluma ngisho nasemncwabeni kaMswazi. Inkulumo yakhe nje iqonde lapho no umswazi lo olinked noKatiso Mlefe futhi lo oclose kakhulu noKatiso Mlefe usho njalo angazi ke kodwa bengithi angiyicacise lento ukuthi isukaphi. Futhi okwesibili efuna sikulungise ileli gama ukuthi uJulius uzonda abamhlophe. uJulius ukhuluma abamhlophe no uJulius ushilo wathi akabazonda abamhlophe kodwa uzonda isystem. Akusingokuqala ke laba babili bejikijelana ngamazwi. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi khona into ezake zashiwo uKheni Kunene ngoJulius. uJulius wahamba umvulela icala lamlahla lo cala wayo-aphila laphinde lamlahla futhi ne-appeal. Angazi noma usaqala phansi na. Angazi noma usaqala phansi na, mhlawumbe ufuna ukubuyela enkantolo ngoba uJulius washo wathi akasenasikhathi nasokudlala. Wakhuluma nje kabi ngaye uyokuvulela icase. Kunenye into futhi ayishilo uKenny Kunene ngoJulius. Angimazi uJulius. Angimazi personally. Kodwa ngokumbukela kude lento eshiwo uKenny Kunene ngamfanele. Cela uzwe la.
Which old lady?
The helper at his house.
Oh, okay. The
Old lady.
Yeah. Oh,
Yes,
domestic.
that old lady was running. Pa, 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 pa. He calls her, Sasi. Pa, 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 pa. Kiremuna. So old lady, relax. When she brings food to him, she kneels down. He calls her to come and pluck something here. She kneels.
Oh.
She kneels, both knees. I said, Julius, this is what white people did to our mothers. That's why I say Julius envies white people. I can give you multiple examples.
Yeah.
He envies what I called him to order. They say, hey, Kenny, this is my house. Do your things your own way in your house.
Sathi senza ukuthi ngithi ngingamkhola uKenny Kunene kulokhu akushoyo. Indlela uJulius atreata ngayo uFloyd ngelinye ilanga phambi kwabantu bezindaba. Ngendlela nje akhuluma ngayo naye ngesikhathi kukhona bezindaba kwenza ukuthi makuthiwa utreata umuntu omsebenzelayo kanje ngikholwe.
Floyd, there are cameras here, please. Please. I'll be speaking here and you'll be reading a newspaper.
Angifuni ukucaphuna ivideo la agijima khona kudlula uNdlozi kabuhlungu endleleni. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngalo video. Nangendlela ayithuma ngayo uNdlozi amanzi lokho kwenza ukuthi uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi azabe ihlaya eParliament. Angifuni futhi nokukhuluma ngakho. Kodwa uma kuthiwa utreata lo mama umsebenzelayo kabuhlungu noma kabi umbiza uthi akazoguqa phambi kwakhe ayingagcina ngivuma. Kulokho nje ngingavuma. Ngithi hayi kumfanele angakwenza. Ngikusho ngenxa le video qeda kuyibona. Uyabona? Asibambe le video. Ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga kakhulu.